Hey, welcome to Exploring Wealth. Today we'll be showing you in our video something in detail about price action and upcoming price action of Solana. And in spite of Fire Dancer not yet being used in Solana, still it's one of the fastest blockchain, and it's just not a meme coin related blockchain. It has thousands of applications which are currently working and upcoming. So watch the full video, detailed analysis. So stay tuned.
Solana just did something for the first time since its crash during the FTX collapse. It has fallen by a staggering 60% in just 50 days. This is the fastest decline on record since November of 2022, when Solana fell by over 70% in a month. And that marked the very bottom for this coin. So are we seeing another FTX-style collapse on Solana? Well, Solana has become the go-to chain for meme coins. But this hype peaked with the launch of Libra coin right here. This meme coin gained massive traction after Argentina's president tweeted about it shortly after its release. But here's where things took a dark turn. Libra was heavily backed by insiders, and when it launched, a massive wave of insider sniping took place. For those unfamiliar, insider sniping happens when insiders, who have early access to confidential information, buy in at the exact moment of launch, before the general public even has a chance. They then wait for retail traders to jump in and pump the price, before the insiders dump their tokens for massive profits. Libra's price initially skyrocketed by 2,500% in just a few hours after the tweet, but it wasn't long before it was rug pulled. Liquidity was drained, large investors cashed out, and the token crashed by 97%, all within the same day. Since then, it has continued to remain dead. And it's not just Libra that did a pump and dump on Solana. Take Melania coin, for example. Just like Libra, it pumped in a straight line up after launch, only to collapse by 95% right after. These failures are damaging the reputation of the Solana network, and many speculate that Solana won't be able to recover from this. After all, Solana meme coins have repeatedly wiped out retail traders in a matter of hours. Surely, people have had enough and are moving away from Solana and looking for safer bets. In fact, Solana did just witness a big liquidity outflow last month. Over $1.1 billion in stablecoins left the Solana ecosystem during the Libra rug pull in just one day. This is the largest stablecoin outflow in Solana's history, even bigger than the FTX collapse in 2022. So, this meme coin crash is definitely looking like an FTX-style moment for Solana, but even bigger in value. However, despite the short-term outflows, if we look at the overall stablecoin balance on Solana, we can see that it is still quite high. Even after recent withdrawals, Solana still holds $11.5 billion in stablecoins. That's more than 5 times the amount it had just a year ago. So if everyone was truly abandoning Solana, then this chart should have looked more like this instead. The reality is that while some traders have exited, most have not. But why was Solana in the center of this meme coin mania in the first place? Well, it comes down to 2 key factors: cost and speed. A transaction on Bitcoin costs $13.74 on average. For Ethereum, it's $7.90. And for Polygon, which is a layer 2 token that's known for cheap fees, it's $0.009 per transaction. But for Solana, its average transaction fee is just $0.002. That's 5 times cheaper than Polygon and 4,000 times cheaper than Ethereum. And Solana isn't just cheap, it's also very fast. It can process 65,000 transactions per second, compared to Ethereum's 15 transactions per second. So, this combination of cheap and fast makes Solana the perfect blockchain for high-risk, high-speed trading. Exactly the kind of behavior that meme coins thrive on. Meme coin trading volume has exploded in the past year, surging by 979%, and now making up over 5% of all crypto trading volume. And on Solana, the impact has been even bigger. Meme coins account for 31% of Solana's total trading volume, and that has driven Solana's daily trading volume past Ethereum's multiple times in the past year, including this month. So, the idea that people are suddenly getting tired of meme coins, and that's why Solana is crashing, doesn't really hold up. The truth is, Solana's meme coin frenzy isn't just a short-term trend. It's an entire sector of crypto now. It's become a form of gambling, and Solana is at the center of it. Now, whether this gambling side of crypto is good or bad is obviously up for debate. But one thing that's certain, it's great for Solana. So what could be the real reason behind Solana's drawdown? Well, Data tells us that it has less to do with meme coins and more to do with the broader crypto market. Solana has closely followed Bitcoin's movements since the November 2021 market top. When Bitcoin rises, Solana rises, and when Bitcoin falls, Solana falls. In fact, its correlation coefficient, which is a measure of how closely two assets move together, has consistently stayed between 0.5 and 1. Meaning, Solana has a very strong correlation with Bitcoin. Of course, Solana is more volatile, so it can rise more than Bitcoin in bull markets and fall harder during corrections. And that's exactly what we're seeing play out right now. Bitcoin has dropped by over 20% in the past month, dragging the entire crypto market down with it, including Solana that's down 50%. And that's not surprising. When Bitcoin isn't rallying, traders are naturally avoiding high-risk assets like Solana meme coins. Because at the end of the day, meme coin trading thrives in a bullish crypto market. So if Bitcoin isn't pumping, there's less appetite for speculative gambling. That's exactly why having a solid trading plan is key in volatile markets like this. In our new Discord group for cryptos, our team of pro crypto traders shares all their crypto trades and market updates. From exact entry to profit taking, they guide you through it. Our members just booked a 13% profit by catching the recent bounce on Solana. You can get real-time alerts and follow along by simply checking the link in the description below. Now, despite Solana's recent decline, it's important to put this move into perspective. While a 50% decline on Solana might look severe, it's actually in line with the rest of the crypto market. Other top 10 altcoins, like Ethereum and Cardano, have seen similar corrections, and neither of them had a meme coin frenzy. So yes, Solana's drop has been steep, but this is part of a broader market correction, not just a reaction to a few meme coin rug pulls. And we've already broken down in a recent video why we don't think Bitcoin has put in a bull market top yet. So if Bitcoin isn't in a bear market, Solana likely isn't in one either. Now, even though there is a bearish shift in Solana's short-term momentum, if we look a little closer, there's actually an inverted head and shoulders pattern that price broke out from in March 2024, and that's still in play. The most important level in this pattern is this neckline, which is a key support. If Solana breaks below, it would signal a false breakout and could trigger a larger breakdown. Right now, Solana is coming back to retest this neckline, and as far as this holds as support, we think that price could see a strong bounce from here. The target for this inverted head and shoulders pattern is the same percentage move that happened from the head to the neckline.
So I hope you enjoyed the video and you got some really good insights on the current and upcoming price action of Solana. So like, subscribe this video and share it with your friends, because this channel has something which other channels doesn't offer. So yeah, cheers, have a nice time, peace.